Hey everyone, this is Kevin with Mallard Painting. Are you looking for an excellent trim and door enamel? Well, I've got the product for you. Renaissance Hybrid Waterborne Alkyd Finish. A premium quality interior and exterior hybrid waterborne alkyd enamel that provides the toughness and durability of alkyd or oil-based paint, but in a low VOC water-based formulation. Yay! This satin gloss product offers good flow and leveling performance combined with good sag resistance for easy application by brush, roller, or a sprayer. Excellent water and abrasion resistance to withstand repeated scrubbing and wear and tear. Good adhesion, coverage, and weather resistance make this the ideal replacement product for your old, smelly, oil-based alkyd enamels. Guys, seriously, you're still using an oil? If you're new to the paint game, let me break it down for you. Hybrid is a waterborne alkyd. Well, what's that mean? Waterborne means there's water-based paint that can be cleaned with water, but alkyd means oil. So how can it be water and oil? So break it down. There is water-based paint with oil-based resins inside, making it perform just like an oil without the stinky smell. Making this a great product for your trim, baseboards, windows, door casings, doors, and potentially your cabinets. Now, why I do think there are better choices for your cabinets, as Renaissance is not KCMA certified for your cabinets, this is a fantastic product for a DIYer or a painter who wants to brush and roll his cabinets. This can be done with this product as it does brush and roll very well. I use a Wooster Alpha brush to lay this. This is a fantastic brush for this product. It's a 2.5-inch sash. Also, I use the Aero-worthy microfiber 3/8 nap roller nap. This is the best roller to apply a finish that looks like it's sprayed. All in all, Renaissance Cloverdale interior and exterior waterborne alkyd enamel is a top choice for pros and DIYers. Go on down to Rada Paint Store and get you some. Thanks. Please subscribe.